Look at that, boys. Woo! It's your boy. Look at that. Speakers outside. On with some It's your boy. See ya, bro. So we're here at the Mopar Lodge.
Damn right.
Damn right.
So I bought the truck for $1,000.
Yeah.
And it looked in pretty good shape, everything. The only thing on that was wrong with the box on it was the crossers were rotted out, so it wouldn't certify. So I went, okay, well, between the silver truck, the matching box trailer for the silver truck, do I need 3 8-foot boxes? Not really. So I built the flat deck for it, and the idea at the time was I can fit 2 snowmobiles on it, which I don't really do anymore. So that's why I'm gonna cut it narrower. But yeah, so I was like, well, it's a lot cheaper to buy materials and build a wooden flat deck. Probably more useful too.
Yeah.
But at the time when I was looking, a box plus you gotta paint it, that was in good shape, was more than I paid for the truck.
That's true.
So what's the point, right?
How did you do the freaking the stacks?
Well, where the Y pipe goes from 2 into 1,
Yeah.
I just continued that on. And we use the factory resonator that normally sits at the back.
Yeah.
We use the factory resonator in there as a muffler and just come straight back with a 90 up. Cut a hole, put the 90 up into it, and then that 90's up into the 2.
Okay, so Y's up. Yeah.
Because I wanted to do 2 back, but you can't dual it back because the gas tank's right in the road there. This drive shaft's that close to the gas tank.
Right.
So it's got to come up the one side, so you might as well do 1 Wyatt.
So you welded it and you put...
My buddy welded it because he's a professional welder.
Yeah.
We did it in his shop.
Yeah.
This is $114 of materials.
That's it?
Yeah.
That's awesome. And you didn't go stainless steel, you just went...
Just regular aluminized. I didn't want to be showing off with stainless.
Yeah.
Plus I figured it'd discolor because those do get hot enough if you're doing like a $180 down the highway.
Looks fine.
Yeah.
It actually matches the truck.
Yeah, it does. It looks a lot better than...
Because technically you don't have chrome on there.
Not really.
Not really.
No, not really.
Right? Actual chrome on.
Like a couple bumpers.
Yeah. How long did it take to build the flatbed?
A day and a half.
A day and a half?
Yeah. Yeah, Saturday and then halfway through Sunday, and then I was a couple days with lights and figuring out wiring and everything, but...
What's the material build list? You got a bunch of 2x4s. I see some 2x6s.
2x4s are crossways as supports underneath. 1x6s on top, deck board.
Yeah.
And then the 2x6s around the outside to cap it off. And with my mud flaps and my lights, eye bolts, everything is $495 of material.
Nice. And how is it attached to the frame? Like it just literally like nut and bolt, or?
Yeah, so there's crossers that run long ways right down the frame.
Yeah. And
it uses the factory box mounts for those.
Nice.
And so there's 8 bolts holding that on, and then the crossers are the crossing 2x4s have L brackets all lagging them together with just regular deck screws holding the deck boards down.
Oh, so this baby ain't going nowhere.
No.
So you're actually gonna put wheel wells in there?
Well, yeah, this was temporary when I lowered it. Kind of had to cut the deck apart.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, the whole future plan is to cut it basically here on both sides, right beside these runners.
Yeah.
And then put trailer fenders on it.
It's gonna look gnarly, bro.
It is.
I like it. I like it a lot. What kind of lowering kit did you put on this baby?
Street edge.
Street edge.
Yeah, Street Edge. They're basically, from what I've found out about them, is a fairly new brand, and they're undercutting everyone else's prices. So it was $410 for the lowering kit shipped to my door from California.
Nice.
In Canadian money. And then I did the same drop, oh, how many years ago was that? 6 or 7 years ago?
Yeah.
7 years ago. On an 02 Ram, the exact same truck, and it was the same drop. And it cost $1,800 at the time.
Wow.
So these guys definitely undercut, but everything's powder coated parts and it's a 5-year warranty. So,
damn.
Yeah.
How much is it lowered? 3 inches?
5 at the back, 4 at the front.
Okay, gotcha.
The back's adjustable too. It's at its highest setting right now.
Yeah. So people are gonna ask, why don't you have any caps on the top of your those?
Because it looks more badass.
Yeah, for
It's
sure.
all about looks.
Yeah. Doesn't seem like a concern with like rain getting in there at all.
No,
It just
it'll
gets
fill
out?
up with rain and I'll fire it up and it'll blast it out.
Yeah, yeah, nice.
It's done that with snow a few times. You fire it up and it's just a puff of snow out of it.
Yeah.
Whatever, it melts.
Does pretty good in the snow.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
For what it is. Sometimes it's hairy. Depends on the kind of snow.
How many kilometers on this baby?
Right now it's 250,000. Just rolled.
That's it?
Yeah, just rolled.
That's not bad.
It's not bad at all. No,
Sure,
it's got
you got, yeah.
lots of life left in it. And no, nothing serious. I just put a huge sound system in it. Me and Barry did.
Did you?
Yeah, we just
Oh
put
shit. Oh, nice.
So we got 2 10s back behind the seat.
Yeah.
And then these 2 extra speakers. The speakers are on their own amp, and then the 10s are on their own amp. And
So
the speakers have a bunch of wire too, so I can put them out through the 3rd window, put them on the roof.
Yeah.
Party.
Yeah.
And then I've got a remote for the deck.
Holy. Nice
Fuck
setup.
yeah.
Can you light her up for us?
Oh, I can do that.
Do that. Oh yeah. It sounds different from last time. Like it's raspier. It's like it aged well.
That's getting chewed out of it.
Fucking right. That's a beaut. Excellent.
Do it again, do it again. Do it again. Woo! Sounds fucking good, bud.
It does sound really good. Strangely good.
Really Mopar group. That's where you're going to find this, man. You can only find this.
You can only find badass shit like this in a really Mopar group.
Yeah, exactly.